Good morning, my dear students. I am your Prabhida ma'am. Today I am taking class through a video. Uh, Last class and all we have studied regarding the trade and aids to trade, isn't it? So you know that what is trade and what are the aids to trade. Trade means which the refers to buying and selling of goods and services, and aids to trade we have studied regarding transportation, warehousing, insurance, banking, then advertising. This and all we have studied. Aids to trade, which means aids to trade means which helps in assisting, which helps as which act as a help to trade, which act as like what we can say that it helps the trade, helps to make available the goods and services to the consumers in a smooth in a better way. I mean, smoothly. It makes easier the trade. It makes the trade very easier. That and all we have studied in aids to trade. So after that, next what we are going to study is banking and banking services we are going to study. We have studied a banking also as a aids to trade, one of the aids to trade. I forgot to say the name banking. So the banking refers to banking. We know bank is a financial institution which invites the public to accept, which always invites the public to deposit money in their banks and always ask them to lend money. And we know that when you are depositing money in the bank, we are getting interest from the bank, a certain rate of interest we are getting. And when you are withdrawing money from the bank, we have to pay a certain amount. And if you are borrowing money or money from the bank, we have to pay interest to the bank at a certain every year. You have to pay a certain amount of interest every year. That we know that you all know, you are much aware, much familiar about all this banking details, isn't it? So we have certain we are going to study about the various types of accounts, various types of bank accounts. You are much familiar about this. Some people have opened an account. I hope I hope most of the people have taken open a bank account. If you have not opened a bank account, if you have attained 10 years, you can start a bank account with the help of your parent. Okay, so whatever money you are getting from your grandparents or relatives, that you please save money and keep it in the account. So you know that if you are keeping money in the bank, your money will grow. How your money is growing, that means interest also will be there. So every year the interest will be there with that money that you have deposited, so it will be growing. If you are simply keeping it the money box or piggy bank, what will happen? It won't grow, it will be there itself. So it's better you can reinvest the money or invest the money in some way so that it can grow. It will grow, it will helps to grow. Okay, so we will see that what are the types of bank accounts. Okay, so you can, if you have doubt regarding this, you can ask your parents also. They also can tell you, because most of the 99% or 100% of the parents, they have these accounts. Okay, so first one is savings bank account. Savings bank account is usually, I want to say the names first: savings bank account, fixed deposit account, then recurring deposit account, then current deposit account, current accounts, and multiple option account, multiple option account. That you don't want to study, just you want to study this 4 types of accounts. Okay, so first one is savings deposit account. So this savings deposit accounts, this is meant for the small savers. First of all, when these people want to save some money, they want to keep somewhere. When you are earning something, or if you are if you are going for a work and you are getting a salary, and if from the salary, if you want to save some money, or the salary also you want to keep it in the account, or through the account if you are getting salary, that and all, the salary account, and usually it will be taken through, or it will be deposited, or it will be there in the savings account. Okay, so salary usually will be in the savings account. So this savings account is mainly meant for this, encourage the people to save money. Okay, it's actually meant for encouraging the people to save money. So this account, actually we know that when we are depositing money in the bank, they have to pay certain rate of interest to us, isn't it? So here the savings account, the bank is providing certain rate of interest that it's not that much, maybe what we can say 4%, 5% or 6%. That much only nowadays they are paying. 5%, that only nowadays, it's a very less amount. 4% we can say, very less amount nowadays the banks are paying as interest to this on this savings deposit account. Okay, so then next we have current deposit account or current accounts, and current accounts are usually opened by the businessman. So those who are, you can ask, if your parents are a business, father is a businessman, you can ask him whether what account they have opened for a business. It's usually opened by the current account is usually opened by a businessman, and there are no restrictions for the, in the savings account also no restrictions. Okay, there is no restrictions for the number of withdrawals and number of deposit and withdrawals, but the savings account there is some restrictions, but here there are no restrictions at all. So as we are taking money a number of times, as we are depositing money number of times, actually on which amount we have to calculate interest, that is not possible, isn't it? Calculation of interest is not that much possible. So this current deposit account is not they are not paid any interest. That current deposit holders are not paid any interest. That is, no interest is paid on this current deposit account or current deposit. Okay, they are not paying any interest, because number of times that they are withdrawing the money, number of times they are depositing the money. When they are getting money from the business, they are depositing, that time itself they are withdrawing. So no amount will be there to calculate the interest. So no interest is paid on this current deposit account. Okay, and next we have fixed deposit account. Fixed deposit account is, that means it's actually a big amount. We know not only big amount, the fixed deposit, we are depositing a fixed amount for a long period of time, maybe 1 year, maybe 6 months also we will start, 6 months, maybe 1 year, maybe 2 year, maybe 3 year, maybe 5 year. It goes on like this. So it depends depending upon the number of years, or depending upon the amount you are depositing, the amount of the percentage of interest also will be more. Okay, so a fixed deposit, usually we know that we are depositing a fixed amount for a fixed period, and usually the fixed deposit nowadays we have 8% interest. That only we are getting 8% or 7% interest now the banks are giving to the fixed deposit account. So if you are depositing money, you cannot withdraw the money till the maturity period. That if you are depositing for 2 years, you can take back that money only after 2 years. Okay. And last one is recurring deposit account. Recurring deposit account is opened by, that also small savers only, and usually you know that RD account, your parents know that usually they are doing RD account through like post office RD account, that you want to pay a certain sum every month regularly for a certain fixed period, for a fixed period of time. I will tell you that you can pay 200 rupees, 500 rupees, or 1000 rupees, 2000 rupees, any amount every month. Every month you are paying, that is, this month you are paying, next month also same amount you are paying for a certain period of time, that is for 5 years, for 6 years that you are paying. That is what recurring deposit account. For this recurring deposit, you are also getting certain amount of interest, that is more than savings account but less than fixed deposit account. Okay, more than savings account and less than fixed deposit account. This is what recurring deposit account. So what I said, first one I said savings deposit account, second one current deposit account, third one recurring deposit account, fourth one fixed deposit. First, as when I was explaining, I told the fixed deposit as third one. No problem at all. You can say it any order. No problem at all. Okay, so this is what today's commerce class. So please go through the commerce class. Please listen to the class and write the notes what I am giving. Please understand what are the types of accounts. Okay, thank you so much.